What we're bringing together to markets is the S&P 500 index products. And what we're looking at is always in kind of the next evolution of tokenization, the next evolution of on-chain capital markets is how do we create more trust? How do we create more transparency around these kind of products? And with proof of index, that's really what we're aiming to do for on-chain index products as well, where we're trying to create this layer of trust between the off-chain data of the index products as well as the on-chain users, allowing investors and holders of these tokens to verify and determine what's ultimately backing their investments. And SPDJI, we really are by far the market leader in all of these different index products. And it's really a really amazing kind of step in moving these kind of products directly on chain.
S&P brings a trusted benchmarks and trusted index data that's so important in this innovative space. For over 125 years, we have been providing trustworthy, rules-based, regulated index data. And it's imperative that we continue to offer that into the market, but also that we then partner with someone who is going to enable us to maintain that market integrity, the high standards and the quality that our indices and our company is known for. For S&P, Centrifuge are a perfect collaborator because they bring that experience, that deep knowledge and expertise when it comes to the infrastructure, whilst also enabling us to maintain the standards and governance that's so vital to S&P Dow Jones Indices. Proof of index is an on-chain mechanism that cryptographically verifies the index so that smart contracts and tokens can reference index data all simultaneously. I think it's really important to think about the S&P 500 as the same index which is being used by TradFi. It has the same methodology, the same index rules, the same rebalancing. The difference is that this is a new layer for distribution. It's on-chain, so it will enable broader access to more market participants.
So what we really see as a value in bringing together S&P's background together with Centrifuge is around taking the lessons from traditional financial markets and taking some of the early lessons from tokenization technology and DeFi and really bringing together the best of both worlds. Bringing together the over 125 years of experience from S&P with the over 8 years of tokenization experience that Centrifuge has, combining very unique knowledge, data, and brand together with technology and infrastructure that Centrifuge has been building.
As blockchain matures, it's possible that tokenized indices will enhance market liquidity and accessibility and efficiency in a way that makes capital markets and the financial ecosystem more efficient. I think by tokenizing things like the S&P 500 index, we're going to see increased institutional usage, and we're going to see activity move from pilots into on-chain real activity. In addition, I think going forward, we're going to see more asset classes tokenized, so beyond private credit into more things like public equities and ETFs. In addition, I think it's really important that we educate the market as to what tokenization means and what it means for the product and the benefits of a tokenized index. So for example, increased efficiency, deeper liquidity, faster settlement, and broader capital market participation.
Bringing these index products directly on chain increases the verifiability and auditability of all of this index data and ultimately leading to a better investor user experience. So what we're most excited about with bringing SPDJI's data directly on chain and launching these index products is actually leveraging decentralized finance, leveraging DeFi and all of its benefits. So around using these products in lending markets, using these products in stablecoins, using these products in all of these other DeFi primitives that ultimately create more liquidity and more value for the end user.